Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's October 7th, 2025. Just starting to rain now. The boys aren't going to be here today because this is a rain day. We knew we got a storm coming through. Real happy with what we got accomplished yesterday. Good work ethic, good technique. Really happy with what I've seen so far with the Amish crew here. Just 3 guys. 2 of which were Amish. I'm not sure, who the other, what the other person is. But yeah, this worked out pretty darn well. Real happy with how things are progressing here. Yesterday, after they left, I did some cleanup around. So this is a 2x6 by 16 foot wall right here. So the whole inside of this will end up getting plywood on it. There'll be a 4-foot mezzanine going down this wall and down that wall, and a 10-foot mezzanine coming up from this wall here. Pretty happy with everything so far. We got our double bottom plates on the 16-foot wall. Have some more sections to put up as well. Real happy with the anchor systems. Worked out great. And I used a different anchor bolt where I ended up cutting off one of the 1/2-inch ones over here at the end, drilled and put that anchor bolt in. That worked out great. Today I spent some time picking up plastic, some of the packaging, shrink wrap like material for a lot of the boards, and then restacking some of the boards as well. Trying to get things organized, cleaned up here as well. They do a good job. I think we'll end up using these for the trusses, these small sections here as well. And I decided not to break this one down and take those boards off the top so that they can get to those, but we'll put those on. So just cleaning up, restacking. A lot of these ones fell over. These ones stayed steady here. So pretty happy so far. Really great. I did put the drone up just so we can see what the building looks like so far here. And today I got in one of the, so I had ordered this scabbard before for the chainsaw when I'm working up with the trees, and then I ordered this tube caddy here as well. And pretty happy so far. I think that all of this is going to work out great. So this, I can put parts in here, hang tools on as well. Got a hanger bar there. Really nice design. They make these predominantly for the scissor lifts, but I thought it'd work out great for this as well. So far so good. I did go out back and bring in some of the other boards for different things that they're working on, or for scabbing up supports as well. And I did order extra lumber for everything. They did run out of 1.5-inch nails. Not sure how that all worked out for the roof and all, so hopefully they'll be able to pick up some more. I think all of mine got destroyed, when this building collapsed and all. But I'll take a ride out to the shipping containers and see if I can find those. I strained my back yesterday just picking up that end of this one here. So I'm going to take it a little bit easy today, not do too much, and enjoy the rain day today. But real happy with it, guys. For 3 guys, and me giving a hand getting the walls up when it was time. The telescopic boom lift, absolutely fantastic for getting these walls up. I'm looking forward to getting the trusses up there as well. Ordered the roofing material. What'll end up happening is Henry is the principal Amish gentleman who's in charge. He's the one. Although even young William is very skilled and very good at what he's doing here. They take pride in their work. So Henry mentioned probably what we'll do is get the the skin on, get the plywood on the roof, get the plywood on all the outer walls, get the Tyvek wrap it as well, get the ice and water membrane on top of the plywood on the roof, and get the metal on the roof, and come back later on in the winter months and work on the rest. They're just so busy. People were calling them left and right while we were here yesterday. So anyways, looks like it's about ready to start a downpour and all. So what you'll see is a little bit of the Skydio taking a look at these walls and all from above. And I guess that's about it. This is a short video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. I'm going to take a break today. Bye-bye now.
I stacked those blocks where the old shop fell. Sweat and grit got a story to tell. Each block I laid with muscle and might, built that foundation in the morning light. Block by block, I made it strong, dreaming of my shop all along. We're building my workshop block by block with heart and soul. I'm beating the clock with Amish friends to frame it tight. We'll show you the progress in the morning light. The Amish rolled in, their tools in hand, framing those walls of my patch of land. Timbers rising, their hammers keep time. Each board's a step toward a dream of mine. Block by block, the frame's upright. My shop's taking shape in the warm sunlight. We're building my workshop block by block with heart and soul. I'm beating the clock with Amish friends to frame it tight. We'll show you the progress in the morning light. They raised that roof, kept the weather outside. Solid walls built with Amish pride. No windows needed, just boards and trust, sealed up strong against the rain and dust. Block by block, the shell's complete. My dreams got roots, and it's feeling sweet. We're building my workshop block by block with heart and soul. I'm beating the clock with Amish friends to frame it tight. We'll show you the progress in the morning light. Now I take over with my tools in tow, painting and fixing to make that shop glow. Racks for my gear, every corner just right. My workshop's reborn neath the starlit night. Block by block, it's mine again. My dream shop standing where my heart's always been. We're building my workshop block by block with heart and soul. I'm beating the clock with Amish friends to frame it tight. We'll show you the progress in the morning light. From my blocks to their steady hands, we built this dream on a patch of land. More than a shop, it's my heart's own song, a place to create where I belong. We're building my workshop block by block with heart and soul. I'm beating the clock with Amish friends to frame it tight. We'll show you the progress in the morning light. Now my workshop stands solid and true, thanks to the Amish and the work I do. I'll crank up the tools, let the sawdust fly. My dream shop's alive neath the big country sky.
Flying high above the trees, where the wind and the leaves find harmony. The sun is shining on the open fields, a patchwork quilt of dreams revealed. All from above the homestead, everything's so clear. The beauty of this land held so dear. Green fields and winding streams in the morning light. Captured by the drone, what a wondrous sight. Glimpses of gardens flourishing and free. rows of vegetables, an orchard of trees. The pond reflects the sky serene and blue, every corner of our home a lovely view. All from above the homestead, everything's so clear, the beauty of this land held so dear. Green fields and winding streams in the morning light, captured by the drone, what a wondrous sight. Glimpses of gardens flourishing and free, rows of vegetables, an orchard of trees. The pond reflects the sky serene and blue, every corner of our home a lovely view. Nature's art painted from above, every frame a testament to love. The drone's gentle hum, a melody so sweet, as it soars and tips over fields of wheat. Oh, from above the homestead, everything's so clear, the beauty of this land held so dear. Green fields and winding streams in the morning light, captured by the drone, what a wondrous sight. So let the drone fly high and let the music play in the skies above our home. It's a beautiful day. Every shot a story, every view a song, in the heart of nature where we all belong. For our mindful living sanctuary, where peace and nature thrive, in every moment captured we feel so alive.